not as strong as we thought we were, and we got thoroughly outplayed today. So yeah, very disappointing loss, and obviously we need to figure out how to come back from this. We need to make some adjustments, make some changes.
I think just back to basics, tackling, blocking, playing hard all the way till the end of the game is what we're going to have to do to have any success.
We are a little bit banged up right now. We've got some injuries and are getting thin in certain positions, but there's really not a whole lot we can change. Just the next guy in line's got to step up and learn his responsibilities and make plays.
Obviously, we came out slow. I think a couple plays we just came up a little bit short. They executed some key third downs and fourth downs that we just were just a step behind, a step slow, and then after that, it's kind of a snowball effect.
In terms of our offense in the second half, it's just when we're executing. We started running the football. Our offensive line did a good job opening up some holes and started completing some passes, and things started opening up in the run game.
The second half was definitely better. We still had a few letdowns, still a few turnovers that cost us quite a bit. So we just need to straighten those things up.
We're hurting ourselves with the turnovers right now. Need to protect the football, and defensively, it was they ran the football on us, and we had a hard time stopping them up front. Again, we need to get back to basics. We need to figure out what adjustments, what tweaks we need to make, and confident we will. I'm confident we're going to work really hard to come back and win next week.